In this video, we're going to show you a way through which you can automatically close all the tabs on Safari on your iPhone. Most of us are guilty of this on our iPhones. We often tend to forget to close the Open Safari tabs after using them. Though Safari does offer a quick way to close tabs manually, which is touch and hold the tabs icon and choose the Close All Tabs option, it doesn't always occur naturally. That's why this method is the perfect one to solve it. Here's how. Open Settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down, tap on Safari. Navigate to Close Tabs. Now choose the preferred option like After 1 day, After 1 week, or After 1 month to automatically close the tabs after the stipulated time. This way, you won't be required to remember to close the tabs every time. Helpful, right? Like and share the video if this helped you. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.